You should have received your kit in the mail, and I'm going to start by dismantling. I'm going to take the top cover off. I'm going to put the center of the flowers on my painter's tape, my 2 parts to my bee, and my stems. I'm going to start with the bottom platform, and I'm going to add some water to my platform along with water into my chocolate. And I'm going to apply the chocolate to my base here, and it's almost going to look like a stained application. And I'm just going to keep adding and mixing it around till I have everything even. You can grab a baby wipe if you want to wipe it back. And then I'm going to put that aside to dry. I'm going to take my top layer and I'm going to take my Wise Owl, Snow Owl, which is our white. And I'm going to add the white to this entire top piece. Again, I'm doing this pouncing motion, which is giving me good coverage. You're probably going to need a second coat. And just take your time and let each layer dry for several minutes before you put your second coat on. Then I'm going to grab my dry thyme and I'm going to cover the stems to my flower. Then I'm going to go in with the yellow and do the base of the bee and the center of the flowers. Then I'm going to do the top layer of the bee in the black. And then I'm going to allow everything to dry. I'm going to glue my top layer to the bottom base of the mason jar. I'm just going to add the glue to the back side, just picking different areas to add the glue. You don't need too much. And then I'm going to lay my top piece onto my mason jar and make sure you kind of hover for a little bit before you press it down on, so you have time to adjust and make sure everything lines up. Then I'm going to glue down the yellow portion of the bee to the right side, that little space that you have there. And then I'm going to glue the black portion of the bee on top of the yellow, overlapping one another. Then I'm going to take the center of the flowers, the yellow portion, the large, and glue that to the flower and then the smaller portion as well. You want to make sure that your stem will fit in the large flower and glue that down, and then the small stem, you just want to make a plan and make sure you're putting it in the correct way, and then add your glue and reinsert it. This was a really fun, easy one, and I just love the outcome. I did take an art brush and add polka dots in the center of my flowers. You can use a white paint marker as well. I feel like this gave a little added detail. And then I did add some lines to my flower stems in the white as well. And I did a few dots after my lines. I really hope you enjoyed this month, and we will see you next month. I did add a jute hanger at the end. Thank you.